Hi guys, so this week we are doing the drawings. Now before we get into that, I would like to apologize because I made a mistake last time we did this. I accidentally copied in the wrong 6 words into just the drawings assignment. I'm sure you guys probably noticed when you got to the drawings, you're like, why are these different words? But a lot of you were just like, okay, whatever, and did the 6 words. Some of you did the words that you had originally been assigned, which is great. Um, some of you did the words that I had copied in there, which happened to have been the wrong words. So I put the wrong words in. You did the right thing. Obviously, you did what I told you to do. So it's going to be a little confusing for this time. So basically, what I had done, how I set it up was, for week 1, which was the last time we did it, you guys had these 6 words, and you're supposed to use these 6 words for every single assignment. However, for the drawing assignment, I accidentally copied in these 6 words into it because everybody makes mistakes. So, what I'm going to have you do for this week is you're going to do the drawings for these words that you were supposed to do last week, but I accidentally messed up. So you're going to do these words for the drawing because that's what you were supposed to do last week, but I made you guys do these words instead. I don't know if that makes sense. I have copied in the words from week 1 into the assignment sheet. Do those words, or if you already did them last week because you realized that I had probably made a mistake, then do the words for week 2. Whatever you did not do last week, whatever 6 words you did not make drawings for last week, make them for this week. I don't know if that makes any sense. Basically what I'm saying is I made a mistake and I'm sorry. So, getting back into it, you're going to make a drawing, and I have made a drawing of the word enclosed, which is what I've been using as my example all week. As you can see, I did it on just a note card, same as last time. Simple, straight to the point. I did it of a bird enclosed in a cage. So that's what I'm looking for. Again, one drawing for each of the words. I'm sorry it's confusing because I accidentally made a mistake last week. Try and roll with the punches, I guess. But the words that I have in there now should be right. So do the words that I have copied in. I'm sorry.